Great news, you got to this page, so that means that you have received one of the 5 spots available for a free custom setup of your yoonla system. Congratulations. I will personally complete the setup and integration of your yoonla system for you, so you can basically skip 4 of those 5 steps. Too easy, right? I will even launch a promotional campaign for you after the setup has been completed to really kick things off for you. We normally charge $297 for this custom setup, since it is a manual setup by me personally and does require time and a number of steps for me to complete. But since we've only just launched yoonla, we're giving away free custom setups to a few lucky new yoonla members, and you're one of them. Also, since the complete yoonla system is set up to benefit both you and us, it is also in our best interest that you are set up correctly and swiftly to ensure both our success. A win-win, right? I'll explain more about this shortly. So if you got to this page, you have gotten your hands on a free custom setup. Plus, with this free setup, you will also receive a number of extra bonuses, so prepare to be blown away. First of all, we will set up everything for you, the complete yoonla foundation system. This includes installing the foundation software onto your own personalized iPage small business domain name, and this you can create in step 1 further down this page. We will then set up 3 digital information products for you that you will promote to earn commissions. Now don't worry, you don't have to sell any of these products. You're going to give them away and earn commissions for doing so. Yes, that's right. You will be giving away high quality digital products and earn commissions. I'll tell you more about this shortly. We will also set up personalized websites for each of those 3 digital information products, including high converting sales or giveaway copy to ensure incredible conversion rates. Then we will set up the complete integration of capturing leads on each of those websites, so you can build your lead subscriber list and can tap into that list to generate more commissions anytime you want. Then we're going to set up the complete automation process of your leads going into your digital funnel to maximize profits for you. Now this will be a personalized automation campaign so that you can generate commissions even after someone initially signed up. We will also set up the integration of your digital marketing funnel with the yoonla CPA affiliate program, so you can earn up to $8 or more per membership lead. On top of that, we will upgrade your affiliate account to our exclusive VIP affiliate program, where you will earn increased lead commissions. Plus, you will earn an additional 60% commission on any purchases your leads will make inside the yoonla platform. Yes, we will only take a 40% cut of sales, and you will receive most of the profit. Then, to top things up even more, you will receive access to our special yoonla VIP Facebook group, where you will learn how to excel as a digital entrepreneur and connect with other top digital marketers. And finally, after we set up all of this, we will launch a special marketing campaign for you that will start to funnel people into your yoonla foundation system, so that you will start building your lead subscriber list and generate commissions right from the start. Now this should take no more than just 24 hours. As you can see, you are receiving a ton of value from this custom setup offer. And no, you do not have to pay us the $297 we normally charge for all of this. The only thing that you have to do is to complete the 3 steps below this video, which will then allow us to complete the setup and integration for you. Number 1 is to register for your domain and hosting account with iPage for as little as just a $2 investment per month. Now this small business hosting has specific features that allows us to install the yoonla foundation software and create your complete digital marketing funnel for you onto your own personalized domain name, such as www.yourname.com. Now please do register with iPage via the link or banner below in step 1 to receive a free domain name plus over $200 worth in advertising credit as well, which will be a great start to promote your yoonla digital funnel and generate commissions. So in step 1, we're going to click on the link or the banner below and go to the iPage website. Alright, so when we get to the iPage website, simply click on this banner, this button here, the blue pink button where it says sign up now. And then on the next page, we're going to select our domain name. Now, just register something that is relevant and related to digital marketing. So, for example, I could enter here digital marketing with Reno.com. So you could create anything. You could say digital marketing with, and then your name, or digital marketing Reno, or digital marketing Steve, whatever your name is, or digital marketing Ben, or something else. Just come up with something original, something that sounds professional, that seems professional, because we're going to be utilizing it for our new digital business. So just choose something and then see if it's available. Just click on that pink button, and if it's not available, it will come up with suggestions that are relevant to your selection. So just click on, once you've entered the domain name, then just click on check availability. Excellent. So that domain name is available. So if you enter a domain name in there and it's not available, it will come up with suggestions and you can select from different options. So and if it is available, it will say congratulations. Digital marketing with Reno.com will be live on iPage in just a few minutes. So then we're going to enter our contact details, first name, last name, email address. Just double check your email address, because your login details, your login information for your domain and hosting with iPage will be sent to that email address, and we're going to need that login information for us to set things up for you. So just go and enter your phone number, email address, street address, and your country. Then scroll down to the payment information. Now you can select to pay via credit card or PayPal as well. That's available. So if you select via credit card, simply enter your credit card number, the month, the expiration date, and the card security code. Then we're going down to the purchase information. So the iPage Essential Hosting Plan. So it's $1.99 per month. Now please note that prices may change, because iPage is running a variety of different offers from time to time. So at the time of this video recording, it's $1.99 per month for a 3-year period, and then you can select the 1 year period as well if you're a little bit on a budget, and that's going up to $2.99 per month then for $35. So it's still really, really cheap. But if you select for 3 years, so you get a 3-year plan, you pay just $1.99 per month. So in this example, I'm going to select the 1-year plan. It's $2.99. So please note that this price may be different. It might be a little bit more expensive, or it might be a little bit cheaper, but it's still a pretty good deal, and it's still a very small investment, just $35 or whatever the price is that you've selected. And then you get a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. And you get over $450 worth of marketing credits as well. So I think there's Bing advertising on there, Google AdWords advertising, $100 credit, and I believe Facebook advertising credit as well, which is absolutely fantastic, which we're going to use for driving traffic to your yoonla Foundation system and generating commissions with our referral program, and a lot more. So those advertising credits, so those marketing credits will come in very handy to start generating commissions with your yoonla Foundation system. So then the instant activation is included for free, setup is free, domain registration is free as well. Domain privacy, if you want to keep your domain information private, I'm going to unselect it in this example. I don't think it's really needed. And website essentials, it's pre-selected with a couple of options. And you can select more options if you want to as well, but I'm going to keep it really simple, plain and simple. I'm going to unselect the advanced site protection. That's $1.66 per month extra. So you feel free to select it if you want to, but I don't think it's really needed. And the same with the protect your site with daily backups. I don't think that's really needed either, because we will have the website software and the website files will be inside your yoonla Foundation membership area as well. So there's always a backup of it. So I'm going to unselect that option as well. Again, in this video, these examples are just shown. Might be a little bit different at the time when you register. So keep it all really simple, just the domain name at $2.99 per month if you select it for a 1 year, and otherwise it's $1.99. And so $35 investment, very small investment for your digital lifestyle business, and it's for 1 year of hosting. And then you go and click on checkout. And then it might take an hour or maybe an hour and a half for iPage to email you all the details. It might be a little bit quicker as well, it might be 10 minutes. So just be a little bit patient and wait your email, and also check your junk or spam folder of your email inbox as well, just in case the information of iPage will be blocked by overly aggressive spam filters. So just go and check those details, then go back to the yoonla membership area and that custom setup request. And then in step 2, just below that step 1, we can see here, then step 2 is to set up your automation and autoresponder account with GetResponse. Now, the complete yoonla Foundation system is fully integrated with the GetResponse automation platform, not just with any autoresponder. So please do ensure that you register through our tracking link in step 2 here, so that we can connect your GetResponse account via API to yoonla. Now, when people sign up for any of those 3 digital information products, they can simply insert their name and email address into a dynamic pop-up form, and this will be linked to your GetResponse automation account, so you can build your lead database. Plus, we have a complete integration set up with GetResponse to load a pre-written, high-converting email follow-up campaign for you, so that you can generate commissions for days or even weeks after they initially signed up. Hallelujah for automation, right? Now, once someone signs up and gets funneled into your yoonla digital marketing system, they will automatically be redirected to your yoonla affiliate link, where you will earn up to $8 or more per membership lead. Now, $8 might not seem like that much, but remember, it's just for a membership lead, and with an average conversion rate of 20% or sometimes even over 30%, you can expect 30 leads per 100 visitors at $8 per lead. That's $240 in commission. And of course, the 60% commissions on any sales or upgrades inside yoonla as well. Then the final step in step 3 is to fill out the setup claim form. So we will have the required details to connect your iPage small business domain name and your GetResponse automation account with your yoonla Foundation system. All we need is your iPage domain name, your login details with iPage, and your GetResponse API key. So once you've set up your account with GetResponse through our link in step 2, I'll just quickly show you how that works and what plan to choose. So just go for the $15 a month investment, which is up to 1,000 leads for just $15 a month, and you can choose that package and set up your account. Just simply fill out the details, your name, your email, your password that you would like to use for your automation account, and your first name, last name, mobile phone, some other details, and then your credit card details. And then simply click on create your account, as you can see here, or you can choose to save 18% with an annual plan or 30% with a 24-month plan as well, which is quite a good deal. Now, once you've filled out all the details and you've registered your account with GetResponse, then we go to step 3, and then here we need to fill out the custom claim form so that we can set everything up for you and connect those 2 services, your iPage domain name and your GetResponse automation account, to your yoonla Foundation system. Now, you simply fill out your first name, last name, your email, your iPage domain name, your iPage username, your iPage password, which will be sent to your email address once you've registered. Then we will need your GetResponse order ID, so look for an email from GetResponse with the subject line "Welcome to GetResponse," and then in this email you will find your order ID, and then finally your GetResponse API key. So when you registered with GetResponse via step 2 link, our link or the banner, then we can connect your GetResponse automation account via the GetResponse API key to your complete yoonla Foundation system. And I'll show you quickly how you can find your GetResponse API key. So simply go to GetResponse, then at the top right of the page, go to My Account. In your dashboard, go to My Account, click on Integrations, then go down to API and Authorizations and click on that. And then here, because I've got already an established account, you will have a new GetResponse account to link to your yoonla Foundation system. So you'll have to click on the blue button that says Generate the API key. That will generate a key, a string of letters and numbers, and you will copy that complete API key, go back to the custom setup claim form and simply insert that key in there, paste that key, API key in there. Then we click on submit to request the custom claim form and custom claim, and once that's submitted, that's it. So then I will personally set up everything for you within the next 24 hours. I will set up everything for you as outlined on this page, and I will also launch the traffic marketing campaign for you also within 24 hours. So that's a pretty sweet deal, right? So this will be less than just $17 a month investment for you, and you will receive the complete setup from us, including all the bonuses, increased commission rates on our VIP affiliate program, plus the traffic marketing campaign and the $200 advertising credit as well. So let's get to it. Simply complete the 3 steps below this video right away, and I'll be in touch with you within the next 24 hours when it's all set up and ready to start your digital lifestyle journey. I'll talk to you soon.